Hello Internet, and on this documentation of my lockpicking adventures we will be opening up this Commando lock. It is a laminated construction lock with a 10-pin core. Let us begin. Okay, there we go. So I had set this as my second goal to achieve lock in my lockpicking hobby here. The first goal being the Master Lock 575, which you saw me open up on a previous occasion. Quite literally, the day that video goes up, I unlock this for the first time. So, I am currently without a goal and had no immediate plans for my next goal, because this was supposed to be it. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like, and have a nice day.